The police were ordered to go and beat up people. In the process of beating Ugandans who were waiting for the declaration of the people they had elected, Kagame ordered the police even shoot. In the process, a one who was 18 years old was shot dead. Under the guidance of Giso of Bubuya sub-county, they go to Bubuya. The Giso points at the person that says this one and the police shoots. This one and the police shoots. Now, these people were at a small trading center in the village. They were at a small trading center in the village. The people they were sitting with in the small trading center, I think as a way of also showing their displeasure and knowing that they had no way out because they didn't know who these people had come to kill, they started calling stones to throw to the police officers. What is hurting Madam Speaker is that this situation has been misquoted by the IGP and the police in general. The IGP reports that these people whom the police attacked were actually attackers and has referred to them as the militia of Rwenzururu Kingdom called Bichiru Meramtima. What I want to make very clear is that the Rwenzururu Kingdom, under the leadership of His Majesty of Sikachari Squeeze Mumbere, has no militia that has intentions of attacking this country.
To come and present a statement on this issue of Kasese.